Now this is what we have did yesterday. What we have did yesterday, we took a sample of we took a project called ActiTime. In that ActiTime, there are several modules. There are totally five modules: time track, tasks, reports, users, others. Out of that, we took two modules. One is tasks and another one is users. Under task, I took two test cases. One is create customer and delete customer. Under users, I took another two more test cases. That is one is create user and delete user. That is what I did. Right. Next. That is what I did. Now I have created the test case for each and every scenario. I need to open the browser, log in, log out, and close the browser. Those things, those reusable methods, I have put that in the base class and I have extended the base class. And I have written the skeleton code yesterday. Everyone have understood how to write the skeleton code, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to remove this and start writing the actual code. Where is the beginning point to start writing the actual code here? Where is the starting point to write the actual code?
Open browser.
Open browser. Under which class? Base class.
Base.
Yes, I
Yes,
can
sir.
remove this and start writing the code webdriver equal. But I am not getting that. Why? Why I am not getting that webdriver equal to new Firefox driver? Why am I not getting that, guys?
Because it is testing the class.
Because that's a testng class. Why for testng class? Why we won't get it? We will get for testng class also. Who said that we won't get for testng? That's not the reason. Why I am not getting that webdriver equal to new Firefox driver, guys?
So we have not installed Selenium
Yes, we
server.
have not configured the Selenium standalone server. I need to configure the Selenium standalone server. I need to download the Selenium standalone server and configure the Selenium standalone server. Under D drive, under classes, under batch 303, sorry 302, under this project folder, I need to create a folder called jars. Create a folder called jars. Keep all the jars files under that. Under jars. Okay. Now what I am going to I am going to copy this Selenium standalone server and paste it into this project folder where under D drive, under classes, under batch 302, under this project folder I have a folder called jars. I am going to keep it under this jars, paste it. Now I need to configure this. I need to configure how. Right click on the project, go to build path, go to configure build path. Right click on the project build path, go to configure build path, click on libraries tab, click on add external jars. Under D drive, under classes, under batch 302, under this project folder, under this jars, select the Selenium standalone server jar, apply and close so that it will be configured. It has been configured. Webdriver equal to new Firefox. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize driver dot get and open the URL. What is that URL? online.actitime.com slash nithya slash login.do. I'm going to use this particular URL. Yes, driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait 30 time unit dot seconds. Yes, and then after that I need to log in into this application. How to log in into this application? ID equal to username, driver dot find element. But when I try to type driver dot find element here, I am not getting. But when I try to type driver dot find element here, I am getting. Why? What is the difference between both? When I try to type driver dot find element in this method, I am getting. But when I try to type driver dot find element here, I am not getting. Why? What is the reason? Yes, inside this open browser method, I have declared this driver object inside this, but I am trying to access this outside of this class. This driver is local to this particular method. I need to make it global to the entire class. That's why what I am going to do here, this driver, I am going to make it to the entire class, web driver. This will become to the entire class. Driver dot find element by dot id. Inspect id equal to username by dot id equal to username dot send keys. Driver dot find element by dot password equal to password, name equal to pwd, by dot name equal to pwd dot send keys nithya. Yes, nithya. Then after that I need to click on submit, login, inspect id equal to login button, driver dot find element by dot id equal to login button dot click, so that I will be able to click on it. Yes, after logging in I need to click on log out as well. I need to click on log driver dot find element by dot inspect id equal to logout link, id equal to logout link dot click, so that I will be able to click on it. Then finally I need to close the browser, driver dot close, so that I will be able to close the browser. Need to close the browser. I need to close the browser. I need to close the browser. Yes, done. Yes, then while creating the customer, by the time I reach here, already I have logged in into the application. Here I need to click on this task. If I want to click on this task, right click on inspect. Driver dot find. When I try to type driver dot find element, I am not getting here. See, when you extend the base class, right, all the methods and variables which are there inside the base class should have access in this class also, since you extend. But you are able to access the methods. Why? Because you have declared the methods as public, but you didn't declare this WebDriver as public. If you declare this as a public, then you will be able to access this driver dot find element. Are you able to understand this? What I did here, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Driver dot find element by dot driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click, so that I will be able to click on it. After clicking on this, I need to click on this new plus button. Driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click, so that I will be able to click on it. After clicking on this, I need to click on new customer. Right click, inspect. Dot xpath dot click. After clicking on this, I need to click on new custom, enter new, inspect. Placeholder equal to enter customer name. Driver dot find element by dot xpath dot send keys Pratap. And inspect. Text area, holder, placeholder. Driver dot find element by dot xpath dot send keys. This is test description. Then finally I need to click on this create customer. Right click, inspect. Double forward slash div text function is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click. Yes, I have created a customer. Then after that I need to click on this delete. I need to delete the customer. After creating the customer, I need to click on tasks first here. If you want to click on tasks, if I want to click on tasks, then I need to type Pratap here. If I want to type Pratap, first I need to identify this element, right click inspect. Driver dot find element by dot x path dot send keys Pratap. After typing Pratap, based on Pratap, I need to click on the settings button, right click inspect. Text function is equal to slash dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot double forward slash div at the rate class equal to edit function. Driver dot find element by dot x path dot click, so that I will be able to click on it. After clicking on this, I need to click on this actions, right click inspect. Actions. Actions is the first one. Yes, of course, this is the x path. Driver dot find element by dot x path dot click actions. After that, I need to click on delete, right click inspect. This is the x path. Driver dot find element by dot x path click. Driver dot find element by dot x path dot click, so that I will be able to click on it. Yes, so that I have deleted the customer. Okay, now if I run this opening browser, all those things it will inherit from base class. Okay, now wherever I have the data, I have hard coded the data. It's not good to hard code the data. Okay, here the customer name and description, everywhere I have hard coded. I need to take the data from Excel sheet. Earlier, before 1 week, I have created a data driven framework, right? How many classes does my data driven framework consist of? How many classes does my data driven framework consist of? How many classes it contains, guys? No answers.
Only one, sir.
Not working. How many classes does my data driven framework consist of? That's the question, Tejasri.
More than one, sir.
More than one in the sense how many? 1 lakh or 1 crore methods? 1 crore classes? More than one. Very worst answer. How many classes does my data driven framework consist of? I said that very clearly. I lost this question later also. I said, and I have said you that. Out of 16, not even one also is answering. Sir, we are very good hard workers, sir. We'll do everything whatever you tell, sir. Unable to tell a small X path. Unable to tell you what I've taught in the previous class also. But we are hard workers, sir. Okay, do one thing. You can take down this up to here. Remaining things we will see later.